Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at this 6-inch center hole punch with an extra tip. Now, what's cool about this, it does have an electroplated tip right here, and you're going to be able to use this on all different kinds of materials to mark your center hole. So this is going to be great for starting any kind of drills or things like that. You'll be ready to go. So let's go ahead, get a closer look, get it out of the package here, and give it a try. All right, guys, here's what comes in the package here. You can see you do get this extra stainless steel tip. These are electroplated, so that's definitely cool. It's going to help with corrosion resistance and things like that. And then here is the punch itself. You can see that it does have a nice all-metal design. It's got the grips right here, and it's got the tip already installed, so that's definitely pretty cool. Now, what's really useful about these punches is that you can use them on all different materials to get ready for woodworking or any kind of metalworking that you need to do. So like if you know that this right here is exactly where your center is, all you have to do is push down on it. And it'll do that little snap there. And then this is particularly soft wood, so you can see that that goes right in there ready to go. And what's cool too is you can use this on metal. So if I know I want to drill right here, all you have to do, push down on it. It makes that little popping noise, and that's what's going to do your divot right here. And you can see it's a nice clean punch, perfectly circular. And this is what you're going to be able to use to get your drill bit started. Because a lot of times what will happen is when you start your drill bit, you'll go in here and then it starts walking and going all over the place because you don't have the little punch like this. So this is going to be useful on wood, fiberglass, metal, basically anything that you're going to want to drill through. This will be perfect for it. You can use it also on plastics and things like that. You may not need, in this case here, with it being able to do the metal, you can probably just give it a little push like that and you get the same effect. So pretty cool little tool here. Definitely like the fact that it comes with the extra tip. Going to be useful in the workshop.